What's up everybody, and welcome back to Creating Creations. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to fold your shirts in under 10 seconds. To get this project started, you are first going to need a piece of cardboard similar size to the piece that I have. Next, you are going to mark 2 horizontal and 2 vertical lines, the dimensions shown in the video. Now we're going to cut halfway through the cardboard along the markings that we made. After you have cut along all 4 of the lines, bend over along each of the lines. This will help make the cardboard flexible at the points that we cut. Now all that's left to do is to throw your shirt on top of the piece of cardboard. Fold over from one side, then the next, from the bottom, and then from the top. And voila, your shirt is folded in under 10 seconds. Okay, if you did in fact enjoy this video, I would greatly appreciate it if you would smash the like button. And if this is your first time visiting, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you all on the next video. Peace out.